it comes to power distribution, today's system demands safer, cleaner, and more compact solutions. In this RS Product Spotlight, we're looking at the nVent ERIFLEX Flexibar Advanced, a flexible bus bar designed for high-performance electrical connections with next-generation safety features. Flexibar Advanced introduces a new gold standard in flexible bus bar installation. It's built with a low-smoke, halogen-free, and flame-retardant material, all while maintaining the flexible ERIFLEX is known for. Let's go over what makes it stand out. Compared to standard PVC installation, Flexibar Advanced produces low smoke opacity and no corrosive gases, helping maintain visibility and reducing damage during a fire event. The halogen-free design reduces toxic emissions, making it ideal for enclosed spaces like data centers, rail systems, hospitals, schools, switchboards, and even marine environments. And with compliance with UL 94V0 and GlowWire 960C, is engineered to self-extinguish and limit the fire spread. Inside every Flexibar Advanced are thin layers of thin electrolytic copper, filled into a stack and insulated by a special low-smoke, halogen-free material. The insulation only contacts less than 20% of the conductor, allowing the copper laminates to slide and giving Flexibar its exceptional flexibility. This makes it easy to bend, fold, and twist, reducing cabinet footprint and simplifying routing even in dense assemblies. Flexibar Advanced delivers high ampacity in a smaller footprint with a full range from 125 amps to 2,800 amps. Usable for any low voltage applications up to 1,000 VAC or 1,500 VDC. Flexibar Advanced meets key global standards including IEC 61439-1, UL 758, UL 67, UL 94-V0, RoHS, and NFEN 45545 for rail applications. It's trusted across major industries including data centers and networking, power generation and distribution, utilities and renewables, rail and transportation, and e-mobility and energy storage systems. Connections can be made by punching or bolting directly through the copper, eliminating the needs for lug, crimping, and specialized termination hardware. That means faster installation, fewer mistakes, excellent vibration resistance, reduced material cost, and it's also significantly lighter and more compact than cable alternatives, helping reduce panel complexity and improve aesthetics. The nVent ERIFLEX Flexibar Advanced delivers a perfect balance of safety, power density, flexibility, and installation efficiency, making it one of the most advanced low-voltage power connection solutions available today. Need help finding the right configuration? Check out RS or reach out to our RS engineering support group to assist you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.